Hey, my name is James Mason from the Facebook group Transparent Traders. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 stocks that I feel are the best stocks to watch for a successful trade. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit that subscribe button and share some of these videos with other people who are looking for content just like this. So let's get into it. For this first ticker, this is ticker KMB. This is a bullish play, and this is the 1 year, 1 day chart. Here you go. You can see it as a whole. All right, so obviously massive gap up right here from their earnings. Complete reversal on the MACD. RSI overextended. What I would like to see here is tomorrow, April 23rd at the opening. I want to see that first sell-off. And basically on the back end of that sell-off, when it actually starts to reverse again on the MACD right here, if it's starting to, these Bollinger Bands, if they're starting to pinch on the 5-minute chart and it's starting to push up through the top, that's where I would take my position to go long in this trade. So this one right here, possibly, if it worked out that way, would probably make a good day trade and possibly a great swing trade over the next, I say, 2 to 3 days. Now with that being said, be careful because this week we have a ton of earnings that are gonna influence the market as a whole. So if you have profits, take profits. All right, the second stock to watch. This is ticker FL. So let me back out. All right, so there you can see it on the daily chart. So this daily candlestick right here, it busts through this middle Bollinger Band, and you can see the complete reversal with the MACD, and that's a massive candlestick to start this off with. This thing was down over 3%, and when a large cap stock like this level and higher moves in percentages like this, there is a reason why. So this would be a bearish play that I would keep an eye on, and obviously with the MACD pointing down like that because of this big candlestick, the RSI is pointing to the ground. And if I was to get into this to short it with puts, what I would look for tomorrow is seeing how this opens up, and hopefully I can catch it. Hopefully it actually opens up and goes bullish a little bit. That way I can catch it in the green and try to short it more so from the top and then let it drop down. In theory, hopefully that's how it worked. According to the momentum, in theory, but again, with these earnings and everything, you never know. So, stay alert. But if I was to jump into this and write it down, honestly, I would just write it down until it was about ready to touch this bottom Bollinger Band on the daily chart, and that's when I would sell. I wouldn't try to take this thing and write it down through the bottom of the bands, because you can see where it got rejected there and then bounced right there, bounced right there. It just went down a little bit. You get the point. So that's what I would look for right here. Now the last one, this is a bullish trade. This is ticker CCK. So you can see it kind of got this little wave thing going on and all that, but look right here. Massive candlestick, solid earnings, great guidance. Another massive candlestick. The great thing about this one, it's not overextended yet, right here on the RSI. Complete reversal right here on MACD. This one right here would be my overall pick out of these 3 if I had to choose one. So obviously I'm gonna wait to see how this one opens, and this one could turn out to be a day trade and a swing trade. And when I say that, if this one started out bullish for me, as long as it wasn't coming out the gate too hot, I'll just scalp it real quick, and then get out and wait for it to pull back, see how far it pulled back for the day, and then take another long entry and try to swing it into the next day or the day after. So that's the 3 tickers that I have for you guys to start watching on April 23rd. Those are tickers KMB, FL, CCK. So I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.